Hello, dear students. I hope all you are doing very good in your homes. And today I am going to start your economics first chapter, that is development. And before starting the chapter, still some students are not listening the lecture properly, and they are not mentioning their name below the comment section. But some students are really asking very amazing questions, and they are listening the lectures uh, very properly, so those are part of the applaud, and others do listen the lectures, otherwise forget your subject enrichment marks. I will not give, remember this. Okay, so development, this term we see lot of times, right? That development of the country, development of the individual, development of our village, development of our town, district, nation, etc., etc., right? Ultimately, in this paragraph, the NCRT wants to say that development goals should be different for the individuals, right? Like for you, the development should be something else. For me, development should be something else. Okay, and for Ambani, development should be something else. Means the development concerns according to our condition, circumstances, and situations, right? So, according to the look category of the person's development goals and the aspirations must be different, right? We cannot say that our neighbor is developing, so we are also developing. No, means our neighbor has some different development goals. It doesn't mean that you must have that similar development goals, right? That is a part of jealousy. We should not have this jealousy. Okay, so landless rural laborers, okay, their development goals you can see here: more days for the work, better wages, local school is able to provide quality education children, some no social discrimination. These are the development goals for the rural laborers. And prosper farmers, those who are rich farmers, okay, for the development goals: assured high family income, higher support price their crops, uh, through hard working and cheap labor. They should be able to settle their children abroad, right? So these you can see according to persons, these development goals and aspirations varies, right? Now, so we can say that different persons can have the different development goals, and what may be development for one may not be development for the others, right? It may even be destructive for the others. Okay, fine. Look, this is economics, and as you know that economics has some short chapters, and not lot of chapters in this section of economics, and you will get 20 marks questions in your board examination from this. So it is very beneficial for you to pay attention in this economics section properly, right? So that you can get this 20 marks out of 20. Okay, so the next topic is income and the other goals. Fine. From the second paragraph, let's focus. Besides seeking more income one way to others, people also seek there are equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. They resent discrimination. All these are important goals. In fact, some cases they may be more important than more income or more consumption, because material goods are not all that you need to live. Fine. Means in this paragraph, this NCERT wants to say that apart from the income or the salary, fine, we need some more things which is the part of the overall development. Not on behalf of the income and salary we can say that this one is developed. No, it also matters that from what source you are getting that money. From that source, are you treated equally? Are you getting freedom of security, and are you getting respect in that work or not? And are you facing any kind of discrimination? So these points are similarly very very important in terms of development. Okay, what are those? Equal treatment, freedom, security. What is security? Your job security. Okay, like today nowadays corona pandemic is going on. Okay, so lockdown is everywhere. So we can see some people are not getting wages, not getting salary, so that is the insecurity, right? So in that term we also can say that there must be, wait, security of the jobs, right? So now so here see what writer is writing. मनी और मटेरियल थिंग्स जिसके पीछे हम लोग काफ़ी पागल रहते हैं, राइट? मोबाइल, लैपटॉप और कार, बाइक, फाइन. सो दीज आर द मटेरियल थिंग्स which make our lives more comfortable, fine. So but money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor of our which our life depends, no problem. हमारी लाइफ इस पर डिपेंड रहती है, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट द क्वालिटी ऑफ अवर लाइफ ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द नॉन मटेरियल थिंग्स मेंशन्ड अबाउट. दीज आर द नॉन मटेरियल थिंग्स, राइट? So our lives depend on these things. Suppose somebody is giving you 1 lakh rupees per month, no problem that you are getting a lot of. I'm just giving you an example, okay? That you are being paid 1 lakh rupees per month, suppose, but your boss or your authority is not treating you properly. They are abusing you, they are criticizing you, they are scolding you, another thing. So you will feel like sad, fine. Now this 1 lakh rupees would not matter to you, right? So that feeling which you are getting, that is also important for the development. Other things, if it is not obvious to you, then just think role of your friends in your life. You may desire their friendship. Similarly, there are many things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot in lives. Some people, what they do, they leave their friends, family, right? So to get success, fine, they left all the people behind, okay, and they feel happy. But at the point of time they realize that the emotional relations are equally important. Our family, our friends are equally important, right? Whom with we feel comfortable, we feel happy, okay, fine. Now here a picture is given, and see what kind of picture is this. A demonstration meeting against the Sardar Sarovar Dam on Narmada River. Look, the government was planning to construct a dam on Narmada River, right? Comment me in the comment section and tell me where, in which state this river lies. This river flows. Narmada River relates to which state of India? You just answer me in the comment section. I'm waiting. Okay. But these people are not happy. But dam is related to the development of the country. Now see, but they are not getting this development for themselves, right? So it can differentiate in between the development of the country and development of the individual. It's not relating properly, right? Now consider other examples. If you get job at far place, before accepting you would be considered many factors apart from income. Now the writer wants to you imagine one thing, that you are getting a job far from your native place, right? Okay. Apart from income, now apart from income, what factors matters to you? Now see, facility for your family, working atmosphere, opportunity to learn. Okay, in other cases job may give you less pay, but in that case where you are getting less payment, less salary, but you are getting security. What? Look, giving you less pay but offer regular employment, that they are paying you regularly. Okay, that enhances your sense of security, that is security. So that would be the better development for you. In place of getting high salary and no security and no respect, it is better to get low salary with the respect and security, right? Okay, this will reduce your sense of security of freedom, right? Okay, now for the women it is written here that if women would do any work, okay, and they are engaged for the paid work, are they working if any women any woman is a working professional and they do work, they do job, okay, so the sense of their dignity, their self-respect and household and society acceptance in the society increase, right? So बट यहाँ पर अब एक दिक्कत ये है, जैसे गर्ल्स हैं, सम ऑफ द गर्ल्स आर लिसनिंग दिस लेक्चर और ऑल आर यू स्टडिंग, but at the point of time you will feel that you want to get married, or by the family pressure, by the society, right? That time you have two choices: one to get married, which we should do, no problem, and one to do our job. So for the girls I'm telling this, that we must fulfill our both of the responsibilities as the housewife or and as the working individual, for the girls. Because for the boys they are doing, they are no option, but for the girls, if you are doing and if you want to settle in your life, so two options: housewife and working class women. Okay, so we must do balance in between. Fine, we cannot, that we should not engage that much in the working class women, working class atmosphere, that we forget our home responsibilities also. Okay, so we should learn how to do balance in between, right? So this is all about today's lecture. In our next lecture I'll be taking this national development. So if you are having any kind of doubt, so you can ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much.